with Modern Do-It-Yourself Bride. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to cut heavy chipboard with the Cricut Maker using the knife blade. For this project, I'm going to make a Mr. and Mrs. Wedding chairback sign. All the files used in this project are available to download on moderndoityourselfbride.com. Check out the description below to find out how to access these files for free. You will need a few materials for this project. First, you'll need a Cricut Maker, a strong grip mat, and the knife blade with the housing unit. For the project materials, you'll need 2mm heavy chipboard and painter's tape or masking tape. Materials lists can be found in the description below. The first thing you'll need to do is secure your chipboard to the strong grip mat. Now, the mat is pretty sticky, but Cricut suggests that you also use painter's tape or masking tape around the edges of the material. The way the Cricut Maker is able to cut such thick material using the knife blade is by taking several small passes over the material. Depending on the complexity of your design, it could take anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour to finish cutting your project. So it's important that you adequately secure the chipboard to your cutting mat. Okay, now that the chipboard is secured to the cutting mat, it's time to get the design file ready. Open Cricut Design Space. You'll want to upload the design file. I'm going to select Moderately Complex for the image type, and then do a quick review of the design file to make sure it's set up correctly. It looks good, so I will save it as a cut image. Finally, I will insert the uploaded image onto my canvas. The image will come in much larger than the size of my material, so I need to resize the image. Heavy chipboard comes in 11 by 11 inches, so 10 inches wide will work for this chairback sign. Now it's time to send the project to your Cricut Maker. Adjust the material size to 11 inches by 11 inches and drag the design file to the center of your material. You will need to choose the correct base material, heavy chipboard 2mm. Now here is an important step. Your Cricut Maker has 4 white star wheels on the mat guide. When you are cutting chipboard, you want to make sure to slide these star wheels all the way to the right. This way, there is plenty of room for your material to fit under the mat guide. Once you've done this and placed the knife blade in clamp B of the tool holder, you can load the mat into the Cricut Maker and press the Go button. Since this is a fairly intricate project, it will take a while for the Cricut Maker to finish cutting the chipboard. During this time, make sure your computer does not go into the sleep mode. It's also a good idea to frequently check on the chipboard and remove loose debris. This is not the time to run to the grocery store or vacuum your house. You want to keep a close eye on the project. Once the cutting process is complete, you can unload the mat and remove the masking tape. Gently remove the chipboard from the cutting mat, and there you go. You have your design cut with heavy chipboard. Now you're ready to decorate the chipboard. For these Mr. and Mrs. Wedding chairback signs, I am going to use champagne fine glitter. If you want to see how I coat the chipboard with glitter, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more do-it-yourself project tutorials.